Greetings, designers. In today's video, I will show you how to create a library. If you are like me, you probably have a designated folder on a server or a local drive where you've downloaded 3D models provided by various manufacturers that you or your company utilize in creating products. Now you can add this folder and all of the contents directly to the SolidWorks Task Pane. Let's start from ground zero. If any of you have seen and or watched the series where I live stream my designs, you will know that I have a lot of different components that I've gotten from different manufacturers to assist in my designs. So I have not created a series of folders that have this information. Right now it's just scattered. So what I'm going to do is we're going to go ahead and create a new folder in Windows Explorer, and I'm going to title this as Components. Now for me, well, let's spell that right. Components. For me, that is my go-to where I know that it's not something that I've designed. That's just something I've done through the years, and it helps. So from here, I'm going to add a manufacturer. So for instance, or a supplier. McMaster-Carr is a big one that I utilize often. And I'm going to place a few components in there just so you can see how this works. Let me grab, okay, this is a McMaster-Carr part. And I'm just going to go ahead and, for now, copy it so I don't mess up the integrity of my file structure or the assemblies already. Paste, paste, paste. There we go. And let me grab another one just so you can see how this works. There's another one, ball bearing. We'll go ahead and copy that and place it in my components folder. So I've gotten a couple in there. So what I'm going to do is jump over to SolidWorks, click into my design library of the task pane here. Now, you can add to an existing library, but I want something that's unique and defined so I know what it is. So I go to Add File Location, and I'm going to maneuver to the folder that I created, Components, and I'm going to click OK. So you can see that it created a new library with the title of what I had for the folder itself. If you click on that, or you can actually click the arrow and it shows you the different folders that are within that structure. And as you can see, these parts are already there. And you can drag and drop them and bring them in to assemblies. And you can do this over and over again without having to open up Explorer, find the part, or open it, or go through the assembly mode to bring stuff in. It's just a quick and easy way to increase some proficiency and efficiency. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is my first one. If you've enjoyed it, please hit that like button and subscribe. Until next time, y'all have a great time.